Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford stroker engine for one of our customers, 1968 Ford Bronco. You can see this is a complete turnkey engine, custom built. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we have the 347 Ford stroker engine, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft. We got the Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, American made. Taylor ignition wires, American made. All the wire markers are on there. We have the proper oil pan for the 68 Bronco, the rear sump oil pan with the braided dipstick and tube assembly. We have these real nice polished ball mill valve covers with the matching 14-inch air cleaner with the washable element. We have the aluminum intake on there, MSD distributors all set in place, ignition coils in. This has the Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection system on there. Every engine is live run for 45 minutes. The Holley Sniper EFI, all the settings will be set on the engine, ready to go, plug and play. We have the proper flex plate for the AOD transmission and the balance and tooth count. So that's all set. Put on this beautiful Raptor polished pulley kit on here. This is the 8-rib serpentine belt, heavy duty belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, so that'll always keep the belt at the proper tension. So you got the AC compressor on there, the high flow aluminum water pump, proper thermostat housing, thermostats installed in there. You have the 160 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup. Power steering pump is on there, the reservoir attached, real easy hookup. Power steering line there in the return. We have all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, the gas filters on there, oil pressure extension. So everything, we make it nice and simple. So this is going to be a real nice experience for you. When you put the engine in, you know everything is perfect because it's been live run, fully tested. You'll get photos of the entire engine build sent to you of your engine. So there you have it, 347 Ford, custom built for a 1968 Ford Bronco. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We're a family-owned and operated business, been in business for over 50 years. So there you have it, 347 Ford. Thanks for watching.